In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add data from bank to Freshbooks 2025, step by step. We'll bring your bank data into Freshbooks so your books stay accurate and up to date. First, log into Freshbooks and land on the dashboard. From the left menu, open Accounting. Choose Add Bank Account. If you're not connecting a live bank feed, select Upload a CSV file to import transactions manually. This option is ideal when your bank doesn't connect directly or when you're catching up with past activity. Before you upload, export a CSV from your bank with clear columns for date, description, and amount, and make sure the date format matches what FreshBooks expects. You'll now see the account details screen. Enter the bank name, use the institution's name so you recognize it later. Add an account name that makes sense to you, like business checking or savings. Next, select the account type so FreshBooks treats the balance correctly on your reports. Choose a reconciliation date. This is the cutoff date you'll use to compare FreshBooks with your bank statement. Pick the statement date you plan to reconcile to, then add the opening balance as of that same date. If your bank statement shows fees included in the total, make sure the opening balance reflects what's on the statement. Select the currency for this account to avoid conversion issues down the line. When those details look right, click Save. After saving, your manual account is created and ready for transactions. If you chose to upload by CSV, follow the prompts to map your columns, dates to dates, descriptions to descriptions, and amounts to the correct inflow or outflow field. Always preview the import to catch any sign errors or duplicate lines. Next, you can connect your bank account if you want ongoing automatic feeds. A secure connection will pull in new transactions. Once transactions are in, head back to accounting to match and reconcile. Match imported lines to existing invoices and expenses, categorize anything new, and confirm the totals agree with your bank statement. If something doesn't match, look for duplicates or overlapping date ranges in earlier imports. That's it. You logged in, opened accounting, added a bank account, uploaded or connected your data, and then matched to reconcile. Save your changes, and you're ready for clean current books.